हाँ तो बच्चों आज करने वाले हैं हम लोग प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.4 ओके महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड मैथ्स 1 सो आज जो है प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.4 लीनियर इक्वेशन टू वेरिएबल्स and we have to solve question number 1 is solve the following simultaneous equations. So here in this practice set we are having four questions for solving the simultaneous equation. So very first question is what? 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15 and 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. So student, how we will solve this question? So let us see. We'll start the solution. So solution is, first we will write 2 upon x minus 3 upon y. This is equal to 15. This is equation number 1. Okay. And 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. This will be equation number 2. Now student, you will substitute 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. So we are going to simplify this equation by substituting. So substitute 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. So when you will put 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So you will get from first equation becomes 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. This will be equation number 3 and this equation becomes 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. This will be equation number 4. What we have done here? We have substitute 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. So what you will get? 1 upon x is a, so this becomes 2a, this becomes 3b. So 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. This will be equation number 3 and this will be 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. This will be equation number 4. Now we will multiply equation 3 by 4. So multiply equation 3 by 4. So when you multiply equation 3 by 4, so you will get 4 2s are 8a minus 4 3s are 12b and this is equal to 15 4s are 60. This will be equation number 5. Now you see the equation number 4 and equation number 5 having equal values, means the coefficient of a is same and they are having same sign. This is also plus, this is also plus. Both the means here in equation 1 this is also positive and this is also positive. So you are going to subtract. So you write subtracting equation 4 and equation 5. You are going to subtract equation 4 and 5. So I will write equation 4 first. So 4 is what? 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. Okay. Equation number 4 is 8a plus 5b is equal to 77 and this is what? 8a minus 12b is equal to 60. Clear? So equation 4 is 8a plus 5b is equal to 77 and equation 5 is 8a minus 12b is equal to 60. Now you will subtract because this 8a both the equation 8a is what? Positive 1 is plus sign. So now we will subtract, this will be minus, this will be plus and this will be minus. Now we will cancel plus 8a minus 8a. This will becomes what? 12 plus 5 17b and this is equal to subtract 77 minus 16 is also equal to 17. Therefore b is equal to 17 divided by 17 and you will get b is equal to 1. So here you are getting value of b is equal to 1. Clear? Now you will put this value of b in equation 3. So what equation 3? 3 is here. So put b is equal to 1 in equation 3. What is equation 3? Equation 3 is 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. Now b is 1. So this will be what? 2a minus 3b is 1. This is equal to 15. Now we transfer this 3 1s are 3 to right hand side. So this becomes plus 3. So you will get 2a is equal to 18, because this is 15 and this minus 3 becomes plus 3, and you will get 2a is equal to 18. Therefore value of a is 18 divided by 2, which is equal to 9. Therefore value of a is equal to 9. This is not our solution, student, because our equation is of the variable x and y. So we are going to resubstitute, because here substituting 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. Now we are going to resubstitute. So I will write here resubstituting the value of a and b. Okay. So resubstitute the value of a and b. So what is a? A is 1 upon x. So I will write here 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. So 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So you know what is a. So 1 upon x is equal to a. A is 9. So therefore you will write x is equal to 1 upon 9. Just you will interchange these values. So you will get x is equal to 1 upon 9. 9 will come here and x will transfer here. So x is equal to 1 upon 9. And similarly 1 upon y is equal to b is 1. So 1 can be written as 1 by 1. What is value of b? B is 1. So this one you will write 1 upon 1. So again cross multiply, you will get y is equal to 1. Clear? So this is the value of x variable, that is what? 1 upon 9. And the value of y variable is 1. And write the answer. Solution is, that is x comma y, which is equal to 1 by 9. X is 1 by 9 and y is 1. So this is the solution of our first question. Okay. So write down. If you want to take the screenshot, take the screenshot. Then we will discuss the second question. हाँ, तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, अभी हमारे पास जो है प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.4 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आपके सामने डिस्प्ले हो रहा है. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4 is the first question, first equation, and 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus 2 x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is the second equation. So बच्चों, क्वेश्चन देख के घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है, बहुत ही इजी है इसका सोल्यूशन. चलो देखते हैं कि हम इसे कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. तो once again you are going to resubstitute, or you are going to put 1 upon x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. So when you will put 1 upon x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b, so what you will get? You will get 10a, this becomes 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. This will be equation number 3, and this will becomes 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. This will be equation number 4. Okay. So when you will put 1 upon x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b, so you will get what? 10a plus 2b is equal to 4, and this will becomes 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. So this is equation number 4. Now Just here you will see both the equation having a and b variable. Now we want to eliminate variable b. So if you want to eliminate this variable, so you have to make their coefficient equal. So multiply equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2. So I will write here multiply equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2. So what you will get? When you will multiply equation 3 by 5, so this becomes 5 2s are 10, and when you will multiply equation 4 by 2, so you will get here minus 10. So this will cancel out. So multiply. So multiply, so you will get 50a, then plus 10b, and this is equal to 5 4s are 20. This will be equation number 5. And this will be what? Multiply by 2, so 30a minus 10b, 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. This will be equation number 6. So when you will multiply equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2, so you will get next equation, that is equation number 5 and equation number 6, that is 50a plus 10b is equal to 20 and 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. Now you will observe, now when we will add equation 5 and 6, this plus 10b and minus 10b cancel out. So I will write here adding equation 5 and equation 6. So when you will add, so what will happen? This plus 10b and minus 10b cancel out. 50a plus 30a, this will be what? 80a, and this is equal to 20 minus 4. This is plus 20, this is minus 4, so we'll get 16. So what will be a? So your a will be 16 upon 80. Okay. So 80 is equal to 16, so what will be a? A is equal to 16 upon 80. So 16 ones are and 16 fives are. So a is equal to 1 upon 5. Now put a is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation. In which equation you want to put? So you put in equation 3. So put a is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation 3. Equation 3 is what? 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. So you are going to put the value of a in equation 3, and equation 3 is 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. Now you will put here a is equal to 1 upon 5. So this will be 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2b is equal to 4. So simply 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. So this will be 2 ones are 2 plus 2b is equal to 4, and therefore 2b is equal to 4. Will transfer, this becomes minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So what will be the value of b? So b is equal to 1. Because 2b is equal to 2, so what will be the value of b? So value of b is equal to 1. Okay, student. So once we get the value of a and value of b, you are going to resubstitute again, because we know that what is a, what is b. So a is 1 upon x plus y and b is 1 upon x minus y. So I will write here resubstituting value of a and b. Resubstituting value of a and b. So what is a? A is 1 upon x plus y. So I will write here 1 upon x plus y is equal to a, and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. So what is a? A is 1 upon 5. So I will write 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5. Now numerator is same, so denominator also will be same. So x plus y is equal to 5. This will be equation number 7. And for this 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. B is 1. 1 can be written as 1 upon 1. Okay, the value of b is 1. So 1 can be written as 1 upon 1. 1 upon 1 is also 1. Okay. Now again here, this numerator and this numerator on both the sides, equal sides are same. So you may write value of x minus y is equal to 1. So this will be equation number 8. Now you will solve equation number 7 and equation number 8 to get the value of x and y. So what you will do? You will add equation 7 and equation 8. So I will write add equation 7 and equation 8. So when you will add, this plus y and minus y will cancel out. So 1x plus 1x, you will get 2x. 2x is equal to 5 plus 1, that is 6. And therefore x is equal to 6 divided by 2, and therefore x is equal to 3. And put x is equal to 3 in equation 7. What is equation 7? Equation 7 is x plus y is equal to 5. This is equation number 7. So x plus y is equal to 5. What is x? X is now 3. So therefore 3 plus y is equal to 5. So therefore y is equal to what? To transfer, this becomes 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So value of y is 2. And then you write the answer. Your answer is solution is, that is x comma y, which is equal to, what is x, that is 3, and y is 2. Okay students, so this is the solution of our second question. Now we will move for the third question of practice set 1.4. So if you want to take the screenshot, so you may take the screenshot. Then we will see question number 3. हाँ, तो मेरे प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स अभी करने वाले हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ऑफ प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.4. तो क्वेश्चन आपके सामने बोर्ड पे डिस्प्ले हो रहा है. क्वेश्चन क्या है आपके पास? 27 अपॉन x माइनस 2 प्लस 31 अपॉन y प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 85. दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 1. एंड 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. This is equation number 2. Okay student. So this question looks difficult, but this question is very easy. Let us see how we will solve. So this is equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. Again we are going to, this part is same. This part is same in both the equations. Okay. So you are going to put 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b. Student, you can take any other variable like m and n, like p and q. You may take any other variables. Okay. So you have to put 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b. So what you will get? From first equation you will get 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. This will be equation number 3. And from equation 2 you will get 31a plus 27b, and this is equal to 89. This will be equation number 4. Clear? Now, when you will observe here, student, you will get the coefficient of a and b in the both equation number 3 and 4, they are interchanged. So how to solve such type of equations we know. First we will add and then we will subtract. So I will write adding equation 3 and 4. Adding equation 3 and equation 4. So when you will add, so what you will get? 27 plus 31, so you get 58. So I will write here, you will get 58a plus 58b, and this is equal to 9 plus 5, 14 carry 1, 8 and 16 and 170. So you will get what? When you will add these two equations 3 and 4, you will get 58a plus 58b is equal to 174. Now each term of this equation is divisible by 58. So I will write here divide on both sides by 58. So when you will divide on both sides by 58, so what you will get 58a divided by 58 plus 58b is divided by 58, and this is equal to 174 divided by 58. Now you will cancel out this 58 and this 58. This 58 is cancel out with this 58, and here you will get 58 ones are, and this will be 3s are. So 58 3s are 174. So you will get a plus b is equal to 3. This will be equation number 5. So once we will add, second time we will subtract. Now second step, subtracting equation 3 and 4. So subtracting equation 3 and 4. So what is equation 3 and what is equation 4? Just we will write out. So equation 3 is 27a plus 31b is equal to 85, and equation number 4 is 31a plus 27b, and this is equal to 89. Now you have to subtract equation 3 and equation 4. When you will subtract, so this becomes minus sign, this plus sign becomes minus, this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus. So what you will get? You will get, after subtraction, minus 4a. Here you will get plus 4b, and this is equal to minus 4. Okay? So this will give us minus 4a. From here we will get my plus 4b, and this is equal to minus 4, because 89 is greater than 85 and the sign of 89 is minus. So you will get minus 4. Now you can say that again here whole equation is divisible by 4. So you will divide on both sides by 4. So dividing on both sides by 4. So what you will get? Minus 4a divided by 4 plus 4b divided by 4 and equal to minus 4 divided by 4. So you are dividing this on both sides by 4. Now each term is divisible by 4. So you will cancel out this 4, this 4, this 4 with this 4 and this 4 with this 4. Here you will get 1. So this will be minus a plus b is equal to minus 1, and this will be equation number 6. This is equation number 5 and this is equation number 6. Now you will add equation 5 and equation 6 to get the value of a and b. So what you will do from equation 5 and 6? You will add. So adding equation 5 and equation 6. What is fifth equation? A plus b is equal to 3. And what is sixth equation? Minus a plus b is equal to minus 1. Just you will add this, plus a minus a will cancel out. 2b is equal to what? 3 minus 1, that is 2. So b is equal to what? 2. Sorry, b is equal to 1, because 2b is equal to 2. So you will write b is equal to 1. That's 2 upon 2. This will give us 1. Now we will put the value of b either in equation 5 or 6 to get the value of a. So I will write put b is equal to 1 in equation 5. What is equation 5? Equation 5 is a plus b is equal to 3 and the value of b is 1. So you will get a plus 1 is equal to 3. So what will be a? Will transfer 3 minus 1, so a will be 2. Okay. So this is the value of a and b. But what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of x variable and y variable, because our equation is in the variable x and y. Okay. So what is a and what is b? We know a is 1 upon x minus 2. So we have to write here resubstituting. What? Resubstituting. So when you will resubstitute, you will write 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a, and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b. Now you are resubstituting, that is 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a, and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b. So what is a? A is 2. So I will write here 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a is 2. So 2 can be written as what? 2 upon 1. Because 2 upon 1 is 2, so a is 2. Now cross multiply. So 2 times x minus 2 is equal to what? 1. So what will be x minus 2? So x minus 2 will be what? Will divide. So 1 by 2. And what will be x? X will be 1 by 2. Minus 2 becomes plus 2. This is equal to plus 2. Okay. Now cross multiply. 2 to the 4 plus 1. So this will be 5 upon 2. Clear? Once again, what is a? A is 2. So 2 can be written as 2 upon 1. Now cross multiply. So 2 times x minus 2 is equal to 1 ones are 1. Now x minus 2 is equal to what? 1 by 2. What will be x? 1 by 2 plus 2. Now cross multiply. So you get 5 by 4. Clear, students? Now what will be the value of this? So 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to, what is b? B is 1. B is 1. So you will write 1 upon 1 is also 1. Now again numerator is same. So denominator also equal to they will be also same on both sides. So y plus 3 is equal to what? 1. So y is equal to what? 1 minus 3, because plus 3 becomes minus 3. So y is equal to what? Minus 2. Clear? So what is x? X is 5 by 2. What is x? X is 5 by 2. And what is y? Y is minus 2. Okay. So this is the solution. Finally write the answer. Solution is, that is x comma y, which is equal to, what is x? X is 5 by 2. And what is y? Y is minus 2. Okay students, so this is the solution of question number 3. Now we will see the next question and very last question of this practice set 1.4, that is question number 4. So if you want to take the screenshots, so you can take the screenshots. So we will see next question. Okay students, so this is what? Question number 4. Okay. So first equation is what? 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. And second equation is 1 upon 2 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. This is equation number 2. Again you are going to put 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. So what you will get from equation 1, this will becomes what? A plus b is equal to 3 by 4. And in the right hand side, you will see 4 is in denominator. So you are going to multiply whole equation by 4. So you will get 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Okay. So here we cancel out this 4. Because we don't want 4, so multiply on both sides by 4, so we get 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Now equation 2 becomes, what is equation 2? So you get 1 upon 2a minus 1 upon 2b, and this is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Because we have substituted what we have put, that is 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. Now student, we take the LCM of this 8 and 2, so you will get LCM will be what? LCM of the denominator will be 8 only. So you multiply on both sides by 8. So here also you have to multiply each term by 8. So 8 multiplied by 1 by 2a minus 8 multiplied by 1 by 2b is equal to 8 multiplied by minus 1 by 8. Now here you will get, this is what? 2 ones are and 2 fours are. Similarly, this will be 2 ones are, 2 fours are, and this will be 8 ones are and 8 ones are. This will cancel out. So what you will get? You will get here 4a and minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Now see equation number 3 and equation number 4. So you will get, here is plus 4b in equation 3 and here is minus 4b in equation 4. So you know what I want to say, means you will add equation number 3 and equation number 4 and the variable b will cancel out. So I will write adding equation 3 and equation 4. Okay, so adding equation 3 and equation 4. What is equation 3? That is 4a plus 4b is equal to 3, and equation 4 is 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. So when you will add these two equations, this plus 4b and minus 4b cancel out. 4a plus 4a, you will get 8a, and 8a is equal to what? 3 minus 1, that this will be 2. So a is equal to what? 2 by 8, and simplify, 2 ones are and 2 fours are. So value of a is 1 by 4. Once you will get the value of a is 1 by 4, so this is 1 by 4, this is the value of a. Now we'll put this in equation 3 or 4. So I will put in equation 3, put a is equal to 1 by 4 in equation 3. And what is equation 3? 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. This is equation number 3. Equation number 3 is 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Now we'll put the value of a is 1 by 4. So 4a is 1 by 4 plus 4b is equal to 3. Now 4 is cancelled out with this 4. So you get 1 ones are 1. 1 plus 4b is equal to what? 3. So 4b is equal to what, student? This will be 3 minus 1. This plus 1 becomes minus 1. So which is equal to 2. So b will be what? 2 upon 4. And simplify. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Therefore you will get b is equal to 1 by 2. What you will get? B is equal to 1 by 2. So what is A? A is 1 by 4, and what is B? B is 1 by 2. Clear? Now what you will do? Now this is not our solution. This is not our answer. We want our answer is of the variable x and y. We have to find the variable x and variable y. And what we have put, this is 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. Now we are going to resubstitute. Okay, so I will write here resubstituting the value of a and b. So what is it? A is 1 upon 3x plus y. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. Now put the value. What is a? 1 by 4, and what is b? 1 by 2. So I will write 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a is 1 by 4. So numerator is same on the both the sides. So denominator also will be equal. So I will write 3x plus y is equal to 4. So this will be the equation number. This is the 4 last. This will be equation number 5. Similarly, we will solve this. 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b is what? 1 by 2. So value of b is 1 by 2. So I will write here 1 by 2. Again numerator is same on the both the sides. Okay. So denominator also will be equal. This 3x minus y is equal to 2. So 3x minus y is equal to 2. This will be equation number 6. Now You observe the equation number 5 and equation number 6, you will come to know in equation 5 you are having plus y, in equation number 6 you are having minus y. It means that you can add the equation 5 and equation 6 to get the value of x. So I will write here adding equation 5 and equation 6. So what will happen when you will add this equation 5 and equation 6? So plus y and minus y will cancel out. You will get 3x, 3x plus 3x you will get 6x, 6x is equal to 4 plus 2, this will be 6. So therefore what will be x? X will be 6 upon 6 and therefore x is equal to 1. Clear? So when you will add the equation 5 and 6, what you will get? You will get 6x is equal to 6 and therefore x is equal to 1. Now put x is equal to 1 in equation 5. What is equation 5? Equation 5 is 3x plus y is equal to 4. This is equation number 5. And now we'll put the value of x is 1 here. X is 1. So you will get 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. And therefore, we will transfer this 3 1 to 3 to right hand side. So y is equal to 4 minus 3 and this is equal to again 1. So the value of y is also 1. Okay students. So x is 1 and now y is 1. This is our solution of question number 4. So I will write the final answer, that is solution is, that is x comma y, and this is equal to what? What is x? 1, and what is y? Y is also 1. So here both the variable, that is x y variable and y variable, having same answer, that is 1 comma 1. Okay students, so this is the solution of our question number 4. Okay students, so here we have completed our practice set 1.4 of standard 10 linear equation in two variables. Student, if you like the solution or if you like the videos, so please write the comment in the comment box. Okay students, so thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day.